What is cryptocurrency? Explained simply for beginners. Have you ever heard the word crypto, but felt too overwhelmed to understand it? In this video, you'll finally learn what cryptocurrency is, why it exists, and how it actually works in simple, clear terms. Cryptocurrency, or crypto, is digital money that you can send to anyone, anywhere in the world, instantly, and without a bank. Unlike dollars or euros, crypto only exists online, and you can use it to buy things or send payments directly. The most famous cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of others, each with different uses and purposes. Crypto was created because people wanted a system where no single company or government controls your money. Traditional systems can have high fees, delays, or restrictions. Crypto allows you to send and receive payments without middlemen, giving people more control and freedom over their finances. Crypto works using a technology called blockchain. Imagine a public notebook that everyone can see, where each page is a block recording transactions. Once a page is full, it gets sealed and linked to the previous page, forming a secure chain. When you send crypto, computers around the world verify your transaction, ensuring it's secure and accurate. This process is called mining, and it replaces the need for banks to approve your payments. To store your crypto, you use something called a wallet, which can be an app or a physical device. This wallet has a private key, like a super secret password, that only you should know. If you lose this key, you lose access to your crypto. People care about crypto for many reasons. Some see it as an investment that could grow in value. Others use crypto for fast, low-fee transactions across borders. Crypto also enables new technologies like NFTs and smart contracts, which are changing how we handle digital ownership and agreements. But it's important to remember that crypto is very volatile. Prices can rise and fall quickly, and you should always learn before investing. Now you know what cryptocurrency is, why it exists, and how it works. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to learn more about crypto in simple terms. Comment below and let us know, what crypto topic would you like to learn about next?